What's the meaning of blower? Blower. Blower.
Blower. Blower. The term blower can have several meanings depending on the context. One meaning of blower is a device used to create airflow, such as a fan or air conditioning unit. Another meaning of blower is a slang term for a person who informs on others, often used in criminal contexts. In automotive contexts, blower can refer to a supercharger, which is a device that compresses air to increase engine performance. Blower can also refer to a tool used for clearing debris, such as leaves or snow, from a surface. Overall, the meaning of blower is highly dependent on the specific context in which it is being used.